The soy sauce chicken is from Canton. It is also very popular in Hong Kong. A whole chicken is cooked in a soy sauce with few aromatics. Its preparation requires some techniques and tricks to make the chicken tasty with a nice coloring. I'm going to show you how I prepare it. To have a beautiful natural color, take the skin of 3 red onions. Cut 1 head of garlic in 2. Cut 3 slices of ginger. Crush them to release their flavor during the cooking. Also prepare 4 star anise and 1 cinnamon stick. Take 150 grams of maltose. It will make the chicken shiny. Put 2 spring onions inside the chicken. Here this free-range chicken weighs 2 kilograms. Wash 500 grams of jasmine rice with 1 liter of water. I'm going to use this rinse water to cook the chicken. It contains starch. During the cooking, it will help the sauce to stick to the chicken. Stir until the water becomes cloudy. Filter it. Cook this rice to eat with the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 15 centiliters of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half teaspoon of ground pepper. Combine. In a pan, put 50 grams of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water. Heat on high heat. When the sugar begins to color, turn on medium heat. Stir to equalize the cooking of the caramel. When it gets a nice golden color, add the rice water preparation, the aromatics and spices, the onion skins, the maltose, simmer with the lid for 15 minutes over low heat. Put the chicken, rotate it in the sauce to lower the temperature and prevent the skin from tearing because of the ferment shock. On a medium-low heat, the breast side down. Cook it for 10 minutes, always with the lid to prevent the juice from evaporating too much. Flip the chicken, the back side in the sauce. Baste it. Put the lid back on and let simmer for 10 minutes. Take the chicken out to remove the onion skins. Leave the aromatics and the spices. Put the chicken back, the breast side in the sauce. Let simmer for 10 minutes. Flip it. Baste it. And continue cooking for 10 minutes. Put the chicken on the side. Turn on low heat Because the sauce has thickened, baste it and continue cooking for 5 minutes. Put it on the opposite side. Baste it. Let cook for another 5 minutes. Put the breast side down. Baste it. Watch the cooking because the sauce is very thick. The last cooking will take another 5 minutes. Cut the fire. Gently flip the chicken. Baste it again generously. Let it rest for 10 minutes in the pan. Put it on the plate and let it cool before cutting it into chunks. Meanwhile, prepare the side sauce. Grate a piece of ginger to get 2 tablespoons. Mince a green onion. Put it with the ginger. Add a half teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Combine. The sauce is ready. Now, cut the chicken into small pieces. The soy sauce chicken is very tasty. The skin is delicious, sweet, salty, and full of umami. The flesh is still tender and juicy. It is not overcooked. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.